Hi guys, today we're making a hydrating aloe vera juice using aloe vera, lemon, grapes, ginger, and cucumber. Start by removing the gel from a leaf of an aloe vera plant. Mine is a small one, so I'm going to need to use more than one leaf. You'll just take a knife and remove the outer layer, make sure there are no yellow spots. If there are yellow spots, you'll want to wash those off because those are a laxative. Here I'm taking a spoon to scoop out the gel from the leaf. You can use the knife or a spoon, either will work. It's a bit messy. The sticky part of the gel is similar to egg whites, so it's very sticky and messy to work with. Here I'm just doing the same thing again with the other leaf that I cut off the plant, just removing the outside part and then scooping the insides out of it with a spoon. Next, I took the remaining part of a cucumber that I had and sliced it into pieces and then cut those pieces into 4/4. By slicing the cucumber into small pieces, it makes it easier for the blender to blend up. It also prevents you from having chunks in your juice. Then I took some ginger and used a spoon to remove the outside skin. A spoon works much better than a knife because it leaves the inside meaty part of the ginger while still removing the skin. It's surprisingly effective. After removing the skin of the ginger, I chopped off about 1 inch and chopped that into pieces. I definitely put a lot more ginger than I really needed to into this juice, so it was kind of spicy and a bit strong. This juice would definitely feel more hydrating and I think tastes better if it were ice cold, but we didn't have any ice in the freezer, so I chopped the tops of frozen strawberries off and used those instead of ice cubes. It didn't really work very well. Next, I added grapes to the mix and squeezed some fresh lemon juice into the blender. After that, I added a cup of filtered water, then blended until there were no more chunks left. Voila! And there you have it, fresh, hydrating, summertime aloe vera juice. You can make all sorts of combinations. Just add the aloe vera gel to water, juices, sauces, and it blends right in. Tag me or comment if you make anything with aloe vera. Thanks for watching!